How to print from Android phone. Now in order to print from Android phone, you just simply need to open either your gallery and files application, and from there just simply choose image or PDF file which you would like to print. In my case, I'm selecting this image. And now after selecting the image or PDF, you are going to see this option of three dots. Tap into this and then choose print option from here. Now after coming in this section, you just simply need to connect your printer with the Wi-Fi or USB and then tap to this button and you can connect to your printer from here. Just simply do that at very first if you have the printer, otherwise you cannot print it, and then you can choose the copies and paper size from here. Just simply select all those options, and after that connecting to the printer you can very easily print out your image or documents like this. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.